Yeah. So this is the castle for the king and queen, if they have a king and queen. Lots of ducks. It's got a moat around it, as you can see. The moat has a killer carp in it, or maybe just regular carp.
Oh, I don't know.
There's a gate here we could walk up to as we pass through these lions. But of course we can't go through the gate because it's locked. So we'll go back. You look like a tour group leader, huh? And on the right is grass and dead hedges, which we call sedges. On the left are people who got in somehow. Maybe we'll be those people. On the right here you got Greco-Roman wrestlers, sort of. On the left here you got some guy throwing trash down. There's the carp. What'd you say? Oh, life preserver. I'm not sure why these hedges are dead, but they've got some green in them. So maybe they die out in the winter and they come back each year. They just seem weird to me, but I guess not impossible. And this is not really a maze, and not really amazing. But it's a lot of plants. And a statue. I'm guessing that's the queen, or a former queen. You can see the red and yellow tulips all over. And they're wide open now. Just checking to see if it's recording. (1796 to 1881). So we're going to go around to here and back out through the hedge. There's a sign that says welcome, which I think means welcome. That's the King's Garden, Copenhagen. I'm not sure where we are now.